are two ballot initiatives to strengthen direct democracy in Arkansas, both facing a more difficult road to the ballot because of new state laws that aim to crack down on petition fraud. Well, now the two groups behind those initiatives are considering working together to achieve their goal. Channel 7's Andrew Mobley has the story.
With a more difficult initiative and referendum process ahead of them, ballot question committees Save Our Democracy and Protect Our Rights are thinking of joining forces. Both groups aim to put an issue on next year's ballot that would streamline the initiative and referendum process that allows Arkansans to propose and vote on amendments to the state's constitution, which has been made more rigorous by new laws created to prevent fraud.
When you make it almost impossible to do so, it's really, direct democracy in name only and not in practice.
The new laws require canvassers to sign affidavits before counting signatures, verify signers' identities with a photo ID, tell them petition fraud is a crime, and witness the signer read the ballot title or read it aloud to them. Save Our Democracy, the ballot question committee for the League of Women Voters of Arkansas, says it's slowing them down significantly.
So we've been out collecting signatures for about a month now. It's substantially more difficult.
Save Our Democracy collected signatures at a Pride Festival in Fayetteville a week ago, but not as many as it might have before the new petition requirements.
Without these new laws, those volunteers would have been able to interact with more people. So if we collected 1,000 at Pride Fest in Fayetteville over that 2-day weekend, we would have probably collected 4,000 signatures. It really does slow you down.
Meanwhile, Protect Our Rights, which includes Diaz's organization, the Arkansas Public Policy Panel, and others, has had its ballot title rejected twice by the Attorney General because it fails to comply with another new law requiring titles be written at an 8th grade reading level.
We do feel that the 8th grade reading level is arbitrary and an intentional roadblock.
The ballot question committees are considering pooling their resources and forming an alliance to overcome those roadblocks. Couch believes Protect Our Rights should abandon its ballot measure and throw its support behind Save Our Democracy.
Because it really is causing a lot of confusion, and if you have two measures trying to do exact similar thing, it's going to be a conflict just naturally. There's no reason why they can't just take their ballot question committee and say, hey, this is already approved, we're going to support that, and let's join forces together. But
Protect Our Rights doesn't appear ready to give up on its measure.
It makes it a little bit tricky to coalesce behind their amendment just because theirs has been approved at the 8th grade reading level, and we are challenging the 8th grade reading level in federal court.
Protect Our Rights' legal challenge to the reading level requirement is its contribution as an intervener in Save Our Democracy's lawsuit to block other laws that make the initiative process harder. It remains to be seen how the two groups may unite, but they're counting on that lawsuit to clear their path to next year's ballot. On your side, I'm Andrew Mobley.
Okay, Andrew, thanks so much. And for extensive coverage of both ballot question committees' efforts to reform Arkansas's initiative and referendum process, visit KATV.com.